Classic, timeless design with modern updates throughout, this exceptional home sits in a coveted Lake Oswego neighborhood. This home of more than 4,900 square feet has it all: the popular Forest Hills Lake Easement, and in close proximity to the Oswego Lake Country Club and downtown Lake Oswego. Enjoy the ultimate in privacy on your lovely backyard patio. Gorgeous landscaping welcomes you to this 1939 home full of character, with hardwood floors throughout and all of the modern amenities you would need. Unwind or entertain by one of the 4 gas fireplaces, or savor time with friends and family on the expansive patio. Enjoy gatherings by the fire pit for memorable afternoons and relaxing evenings. The chef and the family will love the remodeled kitchen with an open design and top-of-the-line stainless appliances. You'll find gracious, entertaining spaces throughout and even a reading nook. Upstairs is equally impressive with a master ensuite, complete with built-ins and a romantic fireplace. From your balcony, take in peekaboo views of the lake. You'll find 2 more oversized bedrooms, all looking over the gardens, and another updated full bath. As you move to the other wing, you'll find additional bedrooms, a full bath, and access to the guest quarters. The additional living area is beautifully refreshed with all new carpet, paint, quartz counters, and more. From the bedroom, head out to a private patio or explore the grounds. And you can access the backyard patio from the guest quarters or the main house. Exceptional home with a perfect location, walkability to downtown Lake Oswego, a lake and boat easement, and near the country club. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.